All right, so the fireworks were on display this evening here in downtown Salisbury. The night crew and I, including Rob Petrie as well, got to see the fireworks just before showtime, and lots of beautiful lights out there across the area. And even in Ocean City, nice fireworks being on display. There's a lot of people viewing that. Looking live on the East Coast Plumbing Skycam, though, it looks like everyone has started to leave now that the fireworks display has ended. It is a calm scene out there this evening as well, if not a bit on the muggy side. And weather cooperated for the most part here in Salisbury during the fireworks. We didn't see a drop of rain, but now just a few very light sprinkles across the board. Some steadier light rain is pushing off the coast of Accomack County right now, so really not much to write home about with the precipitation, and any shower activity is pretty much going to be ending later on tonight, and we'll just be dealing with a few lingering clouds across the area, and it's still going to be remaining humid throughout the rest of the overnight tonight. We turn our attention to this low pressure system in the northern plains. This is going to pass to our north on Saturday, but its trailing cold front is going to slice through the region on Saturday, interacting with a very humid air mass. It's going to produce some scattered showers and thunderstorms, potentially on the heavy side. It's warm across the area this evening, mid 70s and upper 70s to even lower 80s across the board. 82 in Dover, 77 right there in Salisbury, and we got 79 degrees with Chucky in Lewis. Now, in terms of the humidity, not really going anywhere. In fact, all throughout this weekend and even into the start of next week, it is going to be remaining very humid and soupy out there. You combine now with temperatures well into the 90s on Friday, and we'll have heat indices pushing above 100 degrees. And the same thing for Saturday. Heat indices over 100 degrees for many central locations. So just be sure to take it easy out there if you're going to be outside for an extended period of time. The main difference with Saturday are going to be the thunderstorms. Friday, pretty much a mostly sunny sky with an isolated threat for an evening thunderstorm or downpour throughout Friday, but really nothing to write home about. Now, Saturday starts off dry, but you notice an increase in thunderstorm and downpour activity by the afternoon hours. This is the cool front right here, and as this pushes through the peninsula, it's going to spark some pretty heavy downpours and thunderstorms across the area, and these could be lingering off the same area pretty much for quite a while just because of the orientation of that front. Either way, the activity starts to die down Saturday night and into Sunday, depending on how far south that front makes it. We could be seeing the potential for a few isolated thunderstorms, mainly for southern locations on Sunday, so we will be keeping an eye on that. But there is a threat for isolated ponding and flooding on Saturday because of the heavy downpours and thunderstorms in the forecast. Quick update on the tropics. This is Hurricane Beryl, now a Category 3 hurricane. Not a good situation for the Yucatan Peninsula tonight. It's going to impact that area throughout the day tomorrow as well, weakening but then re-strengthening into a Category 1 hurricane. And then it looks like it's going to be bringing some gusty winds and some heavy rain to southern Texas by early next week. Tonight, 72 to 77 degrees, warm and muggy. An isolated thunderstorm tomorrow evening, but mostly sunny skies generally. Very hot and humid with temperatures approaching the mid-90s. We'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday afternoon. A few lingering showers and a possible thunderstorm possible on Sunday, but it is going to be the drier of the 2 days. Looking pretty good for Monday. Still humid out there and very warm still and humid throughout next week with a better potential for storms by the middle of the week. Rob?